14. A boy, his father, gone. A cruel twist of fate, a tragic accident. Life as he knew it shattered. The world felt cold, empty. His hero, his confidant, snatched away in an instant. Grief, a heavy cloak enveloped him. His mother, devastated, struggled to hold the family together. Their world turned upside down. Financial hardship added to the emotional turmoil. He missed his father's laughter, his guidance, his unwavering belief in him. The pain was raw, a constant ache in his chest. He vowed to make his father proud, to live a life that honored his memory. This determination, born out of loss, became his guiding light. He would rise above his circumstances, overcome every obstacle. Life was a struggle. Limited resources, endless responsibilities. He worked odd jobs after school, contributing to the family income. His education suffered. Grades dropped. Teachers concerned offered support. He persevered, fueled by a burning desire to succeed. He knew education was his ticket out of poverty. He doubled his efforts, studying late into the night. His mother, his rock, encouraged him. Her strength inspired him. He discovered a passion for business. He devoured books on finance, marketing, entrepreneurship. He dreamed of building his own empire, of creating a better life for his family. He saw opportunities where others saw obstacles. He hustled, networked, learned from every experience. His determination attracted mentors, individuals who recognized his potential. Their guidance proved invaluable. First venture, a small online store, long hours, sleepless nights, learning by doing, early setbacks. He adapted, learned from his mistakes. He sought advice, refined his strategy, he persevered. The business began to grow. Profits, though modest, fueled his ambition. He reinvested every penny, expanding his product line. He understood the power of digital marketing, leveraging social media to reach new customers. He diversified, explored new markets. He took calculated risks, always learning, always evolving. He built a team, sharing his vision, inspiring them with his passion. He valued their contributions, fostering a culture of collaboration. His business flourished. He achieved financial stability. He had come a long way from the struggling teenager. His success, a testament to his resilience and hard work. Success bred new challenges. He navigated the complexities of managing a growing enterprise. He sought out expert advice, honed his leadership skills. He embraced innovation, constantly seeking ways to improve. He remained grounded, never forgetting the hardships he had overcome. He used his platform to give back to the community, supporting initiatives that empowered underprivileged youth. He expanded his business portfolio, venturing into real estate, technology, and philanthropy. He became a respected figure in the business world, known for his integrity and his commitment to excellence. His journey from tragedy to triumph was an inspiration to many. He had achieved his dream, but his ambition remained undimmed. He wanted to empower others to achieve their full potential. His vision, a legacy builder program, sharing his knowledge, his experience, mentoring aspiring entrepreneurs, guiding them on their journey to success, providing them with the tools, the resources, the support he had lacked. He created a structured curriculum covering all aspects of business development. He assembled a team of successful entrepreneurs, each sharing their unique expertise. The program, a resounding success. Hundreds of participants, lives transformed, businesses launched, dreams realized. His legacy, not just financial success, but the positive impact he had on others. He had come full circle, honoring his father's memory by empowering others to build their own legacies. His journey, a testament to the power of resilience, hard work, and the unwavering belief in the human potential.